It can be one of the biggest investments you can make in your life, and with an uptick in the economy, more people are looking to become homeowners again. The Wisconsin housing market grew 25% in the last year, according to the Wisconsin Realtors Association. This is a big change from the past couple of years where the housing market suffered locally, statewide, and nationally when the economic recession hit in 2008. Todd Schwartz, a realtor for Dowland Real Estate, says that consumer confidence and low interest rates are contributing to a growing market. Schwartz feels this is the perfect opportunity for someone to buy the home of their dreams.
Interest rates and also the prices are both down. Many times in our time of real estate, you'll see either the interest rates will be low and the prices will be high, or the interest rates will be high and the prices of houses will be low. Not many times do we find that the interest rates and the prices of houses are both low at the same time.
The Eau Claire market itself is also making great strides. Schwartz estimates a house worth $150,000 or under in the Eau Claire market is staying there for 45 days compared to 80 to 160 days in the past years. Schwartz says buyers are having trouble locking down the home they want, even if they go over and above expectations.
Just purchased a house last week, and it was his third offer that he put in. His first two, he went over asking price by about $3,000 to $4,000 on each house and did not get them. And finally he got his house that the third one that he put an offer in on.
James Rolbecki is a second-time buyer in the Eau Claire market and is currently looking at 20 to 25 houses. Rolbecki says he is not focused on interest rates, rather something that will be ready to go from the start as a permanent house for his fiancée and him.
Buying something that is live-in ready, I guess the term would be. Mm-hmm. So now I guess it's more being picky about, things of having a two-car garage, a fenced-in yard, what can I invest in this property to make it better, because, I'm looking at a 2 to 3 year window and I'm probably going to be moving on.
Laura Middlesworth, an economic professor at the University of Wisconsin-Eau Claire, says job and housing markets do relate when making a large financial investment.
Improvements in the job market mean that more people are employed. Perhaps there's even movement towards better jobs for people that already have been employed in the past, and higher incomes may mean that they can afford a more expensive home or that they can afford to move.
Nationwide, the housing market is off to a fast start as well. The United States Housing and Urban Development reported they are off to their best start since 2007, but they advise people the market is still considered very fragile. Middlesworth explains that across the board, states are not seeing the same results as Wisconsin.
Housing markets are local, and some cities or regions may be experiencing growth, as we've seen over the past year in Wisconsin. But other regions are still experiencing declines in house prices and haven't seen a lot of growth in sales, and so there's still concern over some cities and regions.
Schwartz agrees, saying this is the busy time for Dowland Real Estate compared to the summer where they see things begin to slow down.
History in our office and in our market is telling us that it's January, February, March, maybe even April are the strongest. We slow down in the summertime.
For the potential homebuyers looking for their first house, Rolbecki says take your time when trying to find the house you really want.
And don't be, pushed into, this house is not going to be available, because you might think you found your dream house and then the next week you find 3 more that are better than that one.
For Inside Eau Claire, I'm Charlie Tritschler.